Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to migrate content from one WordPress website to another WordPress website, or how to move your all WordPress posts from one website to another website. So if you're looking easy WordPress video guideline, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is my WordPress website, best free Shopify theme, and I wanted to move all the posts from here to my another WordPress website, WordPress to Shopify. To do this, first I'm going to my best free Shopify theme dashboard, then click on the export under tools, and from here I have to choose the data that I want to export. So I just need post, and from all categories, all authors, all post, and click on the download export file. Export file has been downloaded. Now going to WordPress to Shopify website, go to the dashboard, and right now there have only 6 posts. Looks here, I have just 6 posts in the WordPress to Shopify website, and I wanted to add more posts that I have copied from here. Okay, so to do this, go into import under tools, click on the install WordPress, install now, run importer, then choose file. So here is the file that I have downloaded from best free Shopify theme website. Select this one, click on the open, and click on the upload file and import. Okay, now we have to assign any user. So I'm going to assign the admin. Select download and import file attachment, click on the submit. Wow, we have done. Now I'm going to my post. We have 6 posts in previous, and right now we have 43 posts in our website. So it's super easy and simple. I hope you understand the easy process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.